Hey folks, you know me, Shane the Shark Man, here again from Guaranty RV in Junction City, and we are going to take a look at this gorgeous Newmar Ventana. It's a 2011. It's got all the bells and whistles, lots of storage on the outside. It's got 4 slide rooms, and each one of them has the slide topper on it that is also armored on top. So when you pull out that slide room, anything that falls on the top, you don't have to worry about getting on the roof, climbing up there to sweep it off. When you retract them, they all come in. Also got a very nice guarded awning. Looks to be about 18 feet. You got an outside entertainment center. Also, lots of storage space. I mean, tons of it. Moving inside, we've got a very, very nice cab area here. And you've got it's called Yamo, but people pronounce it Jamo. It's a HDMI everything system. It's a little switchboard for everything. It's built right in there. You've got a very nice dash, very spacious, very clean, no cracks in it and everything like that. You've also got auto levelers on it. One push of a button, positively auto levels. You've got a very nice cream colored interior. Sofa on the right, love seat on the left facing back. You've got lots of cabinet space. I mean, this setup is gorgeous. You actually deserve this coach. You got to come out and see this thing. You can get a hold of me, Shane the Shark Man, right here at Guaranty RV. I'll give you my cell number as well. And also, when you come out, when I tell you the price, I always say it, feeding frenzy. Everyone's going to be all over this one. You actually deserve this. It's got a nice residential fridge. Inside, you've got a double sink, and in the kitchen area also you've got the burner, the 3 top burner. You also have a convection microwave oven. In the slide room on the right, you've got the pull-out for the dining area, which also extends. You can add 2 more chairs. Got a nice TV in here. Moving back towards the bedroom and the bathroom area, you've got a separate shower and toilet area, which is fantastic. Got a nice little sink on the right. Moving back here to the bedroom, you've got a queen size bed. Both slides pull out. You've got a Samsung, nice TV in here, and plenty of lighting. You've also got a built-in ceiling fan, and towards the back, you've got a full closet. I mean, this is a gem. It's fantastic. You got to see it. Again, Shane the Shark Man for Guaranty RV in Junction City. Come and see me. Feeding frenzy, that's what it's going to be. You got to get out here and see me. All right? Thank you much. Take care.